Welcome friends. Happy Navratras to everyone. Now during Navratras, most of us observe vegetarian and sattvic bhojan is cooked at home, which means food cooked without onion and garlic. Many also fast, and during the fasting time there are certain dishes which are prepared, and one of them is Sabudana Khichdi. Khichdi made with tapioca pearls, sago or tapioca pearls. This is a very popular one, everyone loves it. So today I am going to prepare this one with different flavors. It's really very delicious. I'm sure you're all going to love it. As they say, variety is the spice of life, and we should try out new variations which makes our fasting more enjoyable. So shall we prepare this khichdi today? Hariyali Sabudana Khichdi, made with mint and coriander flavors. Enjoy it with Farali peanut chutney. A delicious meal for your fasting days. We'll require sabudana, 1.5 cups. We have to soak them. 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 or 2 green chillies, 1 cup of mint leaves. These will be ground together. Then we have paneer, take about 50 grams. 1 tablespoon of ghee, 1 tablespoon of oil. We'll use them both together. 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. We have some rock salt and few cashew nuts. Ingredients list can also be seen in the description box. I have rinsed and soaked the sabudana for 5 hours. They should be soft like this when you press them with your fingers. This is the tip. Now grind the coriander, mint along with the green chilies. You can add just 1 or 2 tablespoons of water, not more. You may add some curd also if you wish instead. Grind it like this a bit coarsely. Don't add too much water while grinding because we want less liquid content. The sabudana khichdi will become mushy. Now take the paneer, about 50 grams. Cut it into tiny cubes. Now paneer we are using in the place of potatoes. Normal sabudana khichdi we use potatoes. So this is a nice twist. It's always good to try out different recipes. So like this, smaller pieces, you cut it into tiny cubes. Put them into a bowl. Now we are going to soak these pieces in hot water. This makes the paneer texture very soft and spongy. This is also a tip. When you are cooking paneer, do this. At least you soak for 1 hour. You can see how nice it is, soft and spongy paneer. Now strain it and set it aside. Heat oil and ghee in a pan, 1 tablespoon each. Reduce the flame and fry the cashew nuts first. Do this on medium flame so that they don't burn. We have to get a nice light golden color. When you fry on medium flame, they become nice and crispy. Remove them in a bowl. Now add the cumin seeds. Allow them to crackle. Once they give out a nice aroma, add the ground paste. Saute it a bit until the oil starts to separate. Add little salt. At this stage you can see half of the liquid is dried up. Now we will add the paneer pieces. The remaining moisture will be absorbed by these. Because sabudana khichdi we don't add any water, so there should be no liquid content. Otherwise we'll get a soggy, soft, mushy khichdi. Now add the soaked sabudanas. Separate them with your fingers in case they are stuck to each other. add some cashew nuts, saving rest for the garnishing. Now quickly and gently keep tossing until everything gets mixed up very well. The masala is coated on the sabudana and the grains also should be separate. So, do this until the sabudana grains are translucent. Once they become shiny and transparent, the khichdi is done. Dish it out and serve it immediately. Hot khichdi is more enjoyable. This quantity serves 3 people if you are having it as a meal by itself. If you are having some snacks on the side, then it serves 4. Now here we can garnish it with little bit of grated paneer to make it look more presentable, and the remaining cashew nuts. Awesome. Serve it with Farali peanut chutney. The link is shared in the description box and I button. I had made it some time back, I think last year. So friends, do give it a try. Doesn't it look so delicious? If you like it, share the link with your friends also. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon and choose the all option so that you will get all the updates whenever I post a new recipe. Thanks for watching. And here are some videos from the archives. If you like, you can check them out also. Bye and take care.